Hey everybody, I'm giving you the recipe to my vegan kale and sausage soup. My grandma really liked that. Shout out to her because she doesn't eat anything vegan. Here's my ingredients. Everything's there except for my minced garlic. Also, the better than bouillon is very salty, so make sure you use enough water when using it. So the next thing is I sliced up my field roast sausage and sauteed that in olive oil in a heavy pot. Also, I did my carrots, onions, and garlic, and once I did that, I put everything back in the pot and added my kale and white beans, better than bouillon, and water, and let that simmer until it was tender enough for me. I like my carrots a little crunch, and then my kale a little soft. Anyway, once that was done, I put it in the bowl with some crusty bread. I like to dunk and when I eat mine, so it was very tasty. My grandma loved it, and I hope you guys love this recipe, so tell me what you think.